Welcome back to this video. If you use Chrome browser, consider to watch this video from beginning to the end and see how to enable force dark mode on all website pages you have been visiting so far. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are following to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Very first thing you need to do is head over to your Chrome. So I'm going to click on here, open up my Chrome browser. You have to open up your Chrome browser. Next thing you need to do is to click on search or type URL right here. And what you need to do is to simply type in Chrome column then /flags. Click on search. It's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to come to search flag right here. So what you need to do is to simply type in dark. So right here you have auto dark mode for web content. To automatically render all web content using dark theme. It's available on Mac, Windows, Linux, Chrome OS, and also on Android. What you need to do is to simply click on here. Then right here, make sure you choose enable right here. The next thing you need to do is to simply click on relaunch. And it's as simple as that. So each time you are browsing on the internet, all the websites you visit is going to be changed into dark mode. Let's, for instance, if I create a new tab right here and I try to visit a particular website right here, and click on search. So take a look at it. All the website here has been fully converted into dark mode. It's as simple as that. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.